So we are starting. So last session was on logins. Mm, okay, let's see. We did login, the text inputs and sign up button. So today maybe we can just go on functionalities. Maybe we do some functionalities a bit of it. When you click on the visibility and when you click on sign in, or maybe when you click on, we can add another button whereby when you click on, when you don't have a sign up button, now you click on it to go on sign in. Where is it? Yeah, when you click this sign up, it navigates you to a sign up screen. So we can do it right now. This is login screen. You can go to, we have some parameters we will add. So let's create our new sign up screen here. Okay, I have an error here. So, it's okay, I can call it login. Sign up itself. I hope you can see my screen. So, not this one. Sign up screen. This sign up screen will import material.dots. So in this container now we will have our screen, our layouts, almost the same as login. We will just copy the login one, all of it from here. From here. From here. Copy this one. Okay, this one. And then we paste it on sign up. Now we'll import SVG and we'll import getX. This getX is for state management of our app. We'll import this one, getX. So we don't have register screen. Okay, there was a register screen. Sorry, what I see. Sign up. We go to register screen. Okay, sorry. You don't need to add this one. Okay, wait. Okay. So we have register and so we have login and register screen. Okay, let's do functionalities like when you enter a password. I've seen on the app when you enter your your password, maybe password you can't toggle with the visibility path. So let's correct on the visibility. When you toggle, okay, let me share my phone a bit seconds. Share my phone. Just give me a minute. I share my phone. I hope you can see my screen now. If you can see my screen, kindly text me. Can just text. You can see my screen. Okay, okay. So I want this toggle button to when you click it, at least to change if it's visible. You can see your password. If it's not, it's just a dotted. So you go on the password text field for password. Where is this text field? Okay, it's this form. This form we have the email text form field for email, but we are using for the password. So in this suffix we have this red eye. Mm, so we will use visibility to toggle. For example, if it's visible, we'll have something like this. Let me refresh this. Sorry for this. You can see, for now you can see my password because it's off. The opposite, I guess. It's the opposite, but you can see the logics. So we want to when you toggle, you can see, and if you it's visible, you can see the password. If it's not, you can't see the password. So we'll come here. We'll first initialize our boolean here. Boolean. You can just name it whatever you want. Which is equals to false initially. It will be false initially. So this will take here. Okay. Obscure. It will be so it will be true initially, so that let me explain. A minute. Where is it? True initially, whereby when you can see this obscure. Where is it? This obscure is whereby we can read. mm, okay, obscure means that if it's obscure, you if it's obscure you can't read that password. It's just plain text. But if it's false, it means that it will be like this one now, because it's false. Can you hear me? The process of joining is too long. Okay. Anyone else who is experiencing this process of joining is too long? Okay, you can hear me. Okay, we can continue. This Abija, we can work on the next session, please. So when you make this obscure text to be true, you'll have a dotted password. But if obscure text is false, you'll have the password like this. So we want to make a logic whereby when you click on this eye visibility, you can toggle if it's true or false. So the we can have when you click on this button, this suffix button, we'll have not an icon now, but it will be a button. Or we wrap it with an gesture detector. Can just wrap it with a gesture detector. Not this gesture detector. Sorry. I can wrap it with a widget. Gesture detector. And then this gesture detector requires one parameter. Character being called center. Okay, this const. And then we have on top here. When you tap, we'll have our function here, and then we toggle this one now. So if we want, when we tap on this icon to change our input now. So if you want to change your input now, you'll have to make like to change the boolean value here. If it's true, we'll change the boolean value to be false. And how can we change this one? We'll have our set state here, and we mark this password is visible to be this, and password is visible. So this means if this is true, this will be the opposite. What is exclamation meaning is like not, it's not password visible. So if it's boolean, if this is boolean and it's true, now the value here will be false because it's not true. Yeah, it's not true. If it's false, it's not false. Now it's true. Yeah. And then here we'll check for the value here. Now it's not, it will not have directly as visibility of, but we will check if this password, if if it's password which visible, which is this value here, which if it's true, now we'll have our password to be visibility of. Then if it's false, we'll have our icon to be on, visibility visibility to be on. Again, I guess we can test this one. We can test this one. You can test. You can see we can toggle now. You can see if our password, if we can see this one is, if it's visibility off, we can see the password. If it's on, we cannot see the password. So is anyone has a question on the visibility and toggling the visibility off and on? Any question? Okay. After this one, you can see on sign up. Okay, we have an error on sign up. Let's fix it. We have this error. When you click sign up, it throws an error. You are trying to use contextless navigation without. You can see this error. Let me see the like this like sign up. Okay, so sign in. Okay, this is sign in or sign up. Was this functionality working on the previous session? Kindly someone to confirm to me. Was sign up working? This sign up button. Kindly. Okay, we can. Okay, sign up, please. Wait, this error. Okay, let's see this error. We have this error. The following message. Okay, let's run. Get material up. Okay, if you are testing, test mode. Mhm. Okay, okay, this phone key. How many I debug? How minutes? Let us remove this one. Let's see. On top. Was this screen? Okay, and no, it's oh yeah. Okay, okay. Okay, let's let's fix this one now. The rest we will just copy the one in login. Just copy from suffix icon. This one gesture detector. Yeah, and register. We have two. Guess it's two. The one for password and confirming password. We have two name, email, password, and on password we'll paste this one here, and on confirm password again. Confirm password, and then we will initialize our password visible. It's visible here. It's custom through initially, and then obscure will say password. is visible, the same as here. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. So here we can see when you click on one, you are clicking on both. Okay, we can change our value here for password is visible. For let's say confirm password to be different. For and then let's copy this one. Confirm password. For confirm password will be different here because this value I can say you see when you change here on actually I have to change here again. When you change this set state when the value at the initial value is changed, the whole class is being rebuilt. So if you are using the same variable here, the same variable, it will change the all for confirm password and the password. So you have to use different variables for confirm password to be different and for the password itself to be different again. So for confirm password, we will change to be the one we have here. We change when we set this one, and then the same here again. Then we refresh. You see, you can see now when you change one, it's only changing itself because the variable you are using is different. You can see this as confirm password, but this lacks because its password is visible itself. So we are good to go. Now you can when you got login. Okay, where is this login? Login. Here we can say get dot. Okay, go login. It will be login screen. Cancel. Okay, for login, it's working as well. Okay, now we are doing. We can work on. We have name email. Okay, password. Okay, we are finished on the logics of email and password. Now I don't have the screen for the homepage. I don't know. Any questions for the for the tagging of visibility? Any questions? Nani hajaelewa? Nathan, send me home screen page. Anyone who has an issue on the login and sign up screen, I can explain. Anyone who has an issue on both login and sign up screen. Okay. For let's do some parameters here in in our main app. So we have parameters here. We can work on it. Let's see. You have seen on the debug banner. Now we can have our theming of app. I don't know. We can have our theming of app. So if your app you want to have like constant to be dark theme or light theme, you can have here on theme data to have just dark theme or light theme. I prefer not to configure your you need to have a single dark theme or light theme, but you can have this one. You can have the one that's checking on the theme mode. You can see on theme mode we have the light theme and the dark theme, and the system. This is whereby it will check on your system and see if you have enabled the dark theme on your system, you'll have the app to be dark theme, or if you enable the system on to be light theme, your app will be light theme. You are, I perhaps say you have experienced this in some of the apps, so whereby you have the light theme when you change on the contrast of your phone, and dark theme when you change when you change to be dark theme on your phone. So this one you can see on, you can just toggle here. The default is the system one, whereby the default even if you don't change or you initialize here, the system it will just check on the theme of your app. So we can have to configure some functionalities here. Let's say our theme is our theme. Now we'll have theme data. Theme theme data. So in this dim data, we'll have either light theme or dark theme. We will in this dim data you will have to configure a lot of things like the brightness of your phone, like the cards, color schemes. You have where is this on the icon themes. Like if for example you have like WhatsApp, you have the top banner or up bar is always green in color. So you have app bar here, app bar themes. If you want your app bar to be on like the constant throughout the app, you just come here and initialize your themes. So you have app bar theme now, and you have parameters like title to be center or not. If you want to of your most all of your title of this to be center, let me show you something. Okay, let me create another screen, a dummy screen. Let's say home screen. Home screen. Now we have scaffold here, and then our body to up bar. Have then let's say title to be text. Hello world. Let me uncomment this one first. Then let's say when you register. Yeah. When you sign in, you go to home screen. Okay, we have two 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 types of how you can have your to to when you tap you can have two ways to use. You have gesture detector and inequal. Okay, so this inequal, where is goes. Okay, we have gesture detector here actually. Can just use that one. Can just use this one. Gesture detector. But we have inequal here. We can use inequal. This inequal works the same as gesture detector, but it has one parameter of splash color. Like when you click, you have a splash color at the background. Maybe I can show. And I make this splash color to be bright, maybe red. Red. And then on tab to have the two page now home screen. Let's save and see. Okay, let me show you my this one. So when you register, okay, can't see oh, let's log in. It's in login. When you sign in, you go. Okay, it's not, you can't see. Okay, let me start on tab first. Splash color and splash this. Uh, Let me show you splash color. You can see, let me input on sign up, on sign up, on sign up. A bit, let me equal, and then I copy this one. Splash color to be red. Let me show you. Can't see why. Okay, so sijui mbona imekataa, but I will see. But inaonyeshanga color ya red hapa hivi. Okay, when you click like difference ya inequal na gesture detector. This inequal like inapaka rangi nyuma, like on the background iko na karangi per se name inasema tu inequal, iko na ka splash color. Splash color ni ile yenye ukiclick something unaona ni ka iko nyuma yake. Then gesture detector, now you can't see, but you can't see the difference, but ina detect your gesture yenye umeweka. So we'll have this gesture detector to take us to home. On tab home. So this home screen now will have this home screen. So when you sign in, you go home screen. Now you can see we have home screen and we don't have our background color. So when you change on the main, like our center title to false, and we have parameters like automatically. Okay, not there, but we have color. The theme of the color of the background. We have, let's say, for example, colors. Gray. You can see when you change on the main, it will affect everything here, rather than changing from the screen. Each screen, like if login has ABBA, if register have ABBA, we can just change it from the main by one sentence or one line. You can just change the color. You can change the font size. You can have font size here. Mhm. Where is it? Titles textile. Love textile as normal. Then we'll have parameters of textile like of the text to be maybe colors the thread colors. Let's say cyan. You can see if you change our title color will change to cyan. Oh, it's not changing. Oh, it has changed. And also you can change our font size. Font size to have 30 maybe pixels. Then on another parameter whereby like we have parameters like okay let's add something here on the home screen. Let's add we have title. Let's add maybe two icons here at the end. We have something like actions. Actions are the list of parameters, list of icons zinakuanga huko, ama inaweza kuwa icon, inaweza kuwa text, inaweza kuwa anything. So for now I'll put icon button actually, so that we can access our on press. Then we have icons then favorite. And then we have another icon. Let's add another icon. Yeah. Now another icon. Icons. Dots. Let's say cut. Shopping something. Shopping bar. Okay, let's put this on. So this action will do, you can see it's a list. This means a list is you can add a lot of widgets here. So we have two widgets for now. We have one widget which is an icon for love something, it's favorite, and another icon for cats. So it will arrange in a row of these two items. So let's see on the screen. We have these two icons. So if you want to change the color, you can. If these icons up bar, you have to have one color of every icons, every action icons in your app. You'll have to change it on the main. You can have to change here icon themes, whereby we can have that parameter of icon theme data. So we'll have icon theme data, which has color. We'll change just color for now. Colors. but let's say just something here. You can see. So you can see the color is changing, the actions. We can remove this one, or let me show you when you create another icon, another app bar rather than the home screen. Now you can create a fancy another screen. Maybe you create a cut screen. So we have that field, and then we have cut screen, and then we'll have cover, then abba, now abba. Then we'll have title. Our title will be text. And then this text now will have the name, let's say cut string, and then we'll have on text screen we'll add another actions, then icons, but let's say add, let's say something fancy like that, just that one, so that you can see that if you change, or you can, if we have hello world, it will have the same color, the same font, the same, if for all actions will have this color, and it will be the same for all abbas, all abbas, because we have just configured it on the main.dat. But actually it's not, if you this, it will have a lot of code on the main.dat, but we usually separate, but for now we'll just leave it here. So let's see, when we click on main.dat, when we click this one, when we click shopping cart, we have on press, we navigate to cut screen. Can see, you can see, I haven't touched the code on this screen, on, like, I haven't configured the icon, I haven't configured font size here, but it has the values, like the font size the same, the color of the background, you can see the color of the icons, all the same. So this helps whereby you don't have to redo the work you have been doing each and every time, like the text of your app, the color of the app, everything you have to do it once, so that you just input the values once as you go. If it's an abba, you just input the values of abba and you go. So this helps whereby you have a large app, and you have to redo everything, like abba, you'll be redoing abba, like for example, you have widgets that can be reused somewhere. You just create one widget that works on both the this 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 widget will work on each of screens that are being used. So this helps whereby, for example, sasa kaa hapa, tungekuwa tukikuja hapa, unaandika na unapea kala yake, for example this icon unaiweka ikuwe kala ya yellow, The same thing hapa, the same thing unakuja weka hapa, weke title, weke font size, uweke font size, uweke what else tumechange comment like that, uweke font. Unaona hapo utabidi umekuja una color, unakuja unaweka ikuwe center. Okay, tukiweka hapa false, tukiweka true itaenda center. Na something here, for example, let's change our in your app bar, let's say automatically jika iko okay, scaffold background color ya scaffold now tuweke ikwe colors, let's say isikuwe black sana, black dot 54. So utaangalia everything ita change here. So unaangalia, so you have to, everything ita change the so long as ulitumia scaffold mahali it will change the color. So you can see how you can redo your code just with this one line. This one line imechange ya all screens yenye umeunda. So this helps whereby, so unaona uwezi redo hiyo code yako ukiandikanga, ukikuwa unaandikanga hizi everywhere una need the colors. For example ka hii colors hapa pia kuna colors ya text. Unaona hii kuna hii color tofauti, kuna hii color tofauti. So ukijifunza whereby utakuwa ukiundanga text ikuwa na color zake. Ka kuna kitu utahitaji like for example hii button, unaona hii button, this sign up imetumika hapa, the same thing okay. The same button imetumika hapa. So unaona umejiridu, ukiona hii text field imetumika hapa, the same na imetumika na hapa, the same imetumika hapa, rather than ukiangalia code yetu hapa. Let's see on login, angalia hii text field, hii text form field the same imetumika hapa, the same thing. Unaona hiyo text form field iko hapa juu, ilikuwa ya password. The same text form field imetumika hapa. So unaona hii ni a lot of code, you have written a lot of code. Ukiangalia unaandika, umeona hapa iko na the same thing, but unaweza unda form field, itakata for password, itakata for email, itakata for everything. That's how you can write a clean code, rather than uko na line more than 1000 na you can reduce to let's say 100 on. So that's what I want to learn you to learn for today. It was an impromptu for me to teach today. Sikuwa prepare. So I think by kesho maybe kan nitafunza kesho nitakuwa prepare. For today imekuwa impromptu. I guess you have learned something. Dorcas anasema can you kindly repeat on hapo kwa password? Okay, sawa. Password. This one. Ama kwa hiyo tagging ama this one. Okay. So I'll just explain. So okay, so unaanza na kuinitialize. Okay, let me explain as screen yangu imeenda. So ukiona ukifinya hapa ina change, na ukifinya itairudisha. So first of all you have to know that kwa text form field iko na obscure text. Obscure text inamaanisha this text is true, unaangalia ni boolean. If it's true inamaanisha itakuwa dotted, like itaficha words yenye iko hapo ndani. Then if it's false inamaanisha utaangalia any text yenye utakuwa ukiandika. So now we will initialize our variable here. Password is visible na tumeweka ikuwe true. Actually iko tuite password is not is itaje. Okay, hapa inamaanisha this password is not visible actually. Okay, achana tunayo click anything but elewa the functionality. So hii obscure text inamaanisha if this obscure text is true, hii text field ukiweka anything on the text form field hautajua the value yenye unaweka, like itakuwa, but if it's false utaangalia the value na utakuwa unaweka kwa parameter. So let's say for example this now the obscure text hapa ni false, so you can see the password, but for this one obscure text is true, that's why unaangalia ni dotted. This is obscure text is false, this is true, that's why you can see the difference. So kutaka kuchange hizo values utakuja unaweka hii nini ni clickable. When you click this one ina change the value here, ina change hii value yenye ilikuwa true una change into ikuwe false, so that you can see now if ilikuwa false una change into true, whereby you cannot see the text. So hapo unakuja when you click, so unarap hii icon na gesture detector. Hii icon iko hapa, unarap na gesture detector. This gesture detector on tab now, when you click your gesture detector unaweka set state. Set state inasaidia nini? Hii ina change the state ya value. This state ilikuwa true, hapa imechange state. This note inamaanisha this password is visible, ilikuwa false, so now it's not false, so ni inverse, ni opposite ya the value iko hapa. So if this is true, this one is false, so ina change this line ina change the state. Now we can the child now, if this password is visible is true. Now if the password is true is visible, which is this is true, if the value ukiweka like this password iko visible, itakuwa unatumia visibility is off, whereby ni hii, so huwezi ona nini, you cannot see your password. But if it's false, if this one is false, now you can see your password, which one is an I. Hii imezimwa, hii imefunguliwa, that's the functionality yake. Like the main key yenye unafaa kuelewa ni hapa, whereby when you click the functionality, when you click on the I ina change the state, na ukichange the state inamaanisha the icon imechange, and also the visible obscure text imechange. Hapa itakuwa imekuwa visible ama si visible. Sijui kama umeget, unaweza ama ni wapi umepotea? Dakas, umeelewa? Any question? Hello, kuna mwenye akona question? Okay, for today nitakwamia hapo. For tomorrow sikuwa nimejipanga leo, so by tomorrow I will do. And also I'm addressing for Abijah. Yeah, the process has been for joining is too long. We'll see on the issue and we'll rekebisha. Uh, I guess we will end here. Tomorrow I will have the screen on the next screen. I don't have screens now. I will work on the next screens. Let me inquire for them. Let's meet tomorrow. Bye. Any question? Hakuna, we end the meeting. Okay, we end the meeting. Bye.